Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Spice Garden Recipes. Today I am showing with you how to make my favorite 3 pizzas at home. These are really very simple pizzas with a few good quality toppings, but it tastes amazing. For making this, take a mixing bowl and add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Next I am going to add 1.5 tablespoons of dry yeast. Then add more than 1 glass of warm water. Mix all the ingredients well and keep it aside 10 minutes for fermentation. For making the pizza dough, add 750 gram of all-purpose flour into a mixing bowl and add half tablespoon of salt into this. Mix it well. Next I am going to add the fermented yeast into the flour. To this add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix everything well. Then knead the dough nicely with hand. Roll the dough into a ball shape and transfer this to a bowl. Grease the dough with some oil. Next I am going to cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and keep it aside 30 minutes for fermentation. You can see the dough became double in size after 30 minutes. Next I am going to preheat the oven for 20 minutes. Take the fermented dough and press it down nicely with hand and knead it again. Then cut the dough into 3 equal portions. Roll each portion into a ball shape and keep it aside for 5 minutes. First I am going to make the pepperoni pizza. For this, sprinkle some flour in the baking tray and keep it aside. Then take 1 portion of dough and gently stretch and flatten the dough in a round shape. Then transfer this into the baking tray. Stretch and flatten again into a circle shape. Here is the pizza sauce that I made at home. You can check the description box for the recipe. Make some holes in the dough with a fork to prevent the bubbles. Next I am going to spread the sauce. Spread it out 2 inches away from the edge. Next I am going to sprinkle some shredded mozzarella cheese all over the sauce. Then I am going to place the pepperoni. Arrange the pepperoni relatively close to each other because it will shrink up when you bake it. Next I am going to sprinkle some dried oregano and basil leaves. Then bake this for 10 to 15 minutes in 200 degrees Celsius. The pizza is almost ready. I am going to take out the pizza from the oven. You can see it turns nice golden brown and also the cheese melts perfectly. Next I am going to cut the pizza. Here the homemade pepperoni pizza is ready to serve. Next I am going to make chicken sausage pizza. For this, spread some sauce all over the dough. Then top it with some shredded mozzarella cheese, soft natural mozzarella cheese and chicken sausage. Then I am going to top it again with some tomato pizzas. and black olives. Sprinkle some dried oregano and bake it for 10 to 15 minutes in 200 degrees Celsius. Chicken sausage pizza is almost getting ready. Next I am going to take out the pizza from the oven. Keep the pizza outside for 2 to 3 minutes and serve it. Next I am going to make the Hawaiian pizza. For this, spread the sauce all over the dough. Then top it with some shredded mozzarella cheese, some sliced white onion, some cut tomato pieces, some pepperoni, and with some chicken sausage. You can replace the chicken sausage with ham. Then I am going to top it again with some pineapple pieces and black olives. Bake it for 10 to 15 minutes in 200 degrees Celsius. Pizza is almost ready. Next I am going to take out the pizza from the oven. The Hawaiian pizza is ready to serve. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.